Presenting the Sony Alpha A6000Y digital SLR camera in black color. It comes with a 24.3 megapixel XMOR APS HD CMOS sensor that provides improved light sensitivity, giving you high-quality pictures even in low-light conditions. The Bionz X-Image processing engine captures accurate textures, reduces blurry details, and also minimizes visual noise to provide sharp images and videos. With the ISO 125,600 range, the camera gives you grain-free pictures in a wide range of lighting conditions. The camera comes with a high-resolution OLED True Finder that offers 100% frame coverage. It also comes with a 3.0-inch tiltable LCD monitor to accommodate low to high-angle shooting. The camera features 179 autofocus points, covering almost the entire screen to give you a better chance of capturing a perfectly sharp image. Also, with up to 11 FPS continuous shooting with superior AF tracking, you can capture the best moments even when your subject is moving fast. Rapid motion scenes can effectively be autofocused by the advanced 4D focus of the Sony Alpha lens to provide clear and sharp images. The camera comes with a dedicated movie button for recording Full HD videos instantly. Sony Alpha A6000Y comes with Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity to enable the transfer of photos or movies to compatible devices. Inside the box, you will find the Sony Alpha A6000Y DSLR camera, rechargeable battery, 2 lenses, AC adapter, shoulder strap, micro USB cable, lens cap, power cord, and eyepiece cup. Apart from this, you will also get a bag, HDMI cable, and memory card bundled along with the camera box. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.